It's time to hunt squirrels again. The place I'll be heading to is a place you guys are awfully familiar with. I will leave it at that. This will not be the first time I've hunted in this area this season. I came here in early spring, when there was still ice on the lake. Not bringing my rifle this time, I went there with my 1377 pistol, and well, I'll let the footage speak for itself.
Okay, got it. Alright, where's the squirrel at? Where's he at, boy? I can't see him. Oh, okay, I see him. Keep him there, boy. I'm coming. Damn it, the squirrel keeps moving. He's a feisty little bugger. Hopefully I can find him. And that sucks as though, now this is like a muzzle loader. You know, you think my brake barrel's slow? You have to pump this up 10 times to get a single shot off. Top of that, it's not magazine fed, it's a single shot. Not sure if he's dead. Gonna shoot him in the head just to make sure. Okay, that's a headshot. But I could still see movement. Just like
with my airgun malfunctioning at times, and the amount of footage to the footage itself being less than satisfactory, I returned, this time, in early fall, with another pistol to bear. The little brother to the 1377, the 2240.
oh, there's already a squirrel over there. I can hear it. Oh, there's a bird right there. Okay, let's go investigate the squirrel. Alright, I gotta get my gun first. Load her up. It's coming from that way.
One of the many things I like about the 2240 is that it is CO2 powered.
Just got some pellets in my pocket. I'm gonna try and get a squirrel.
Meaning follow-up shots can be taken quickly,
Okay, let's go.
if need be, unlike its older brother, the 1377. With the 2240, if that first shot fails to hit its mark, another one can be loaded in a matter of seconds.
Squirrel sign here. Lots of pine cone shavings. Not even too far from my bike. So there was a squirrel here. That squirrel's around here somewhere, unless he scurried off while I was getting ready. It's okay, I'll play the waiting game.
With the 1377,
While I
the
wait,
loud noise of the pumping may drive off your prey before
out by
another
that
shot
tree.
can be fired.
And if I don't hear anything around here for a good 20 minutes, then I'll head down that way.
In that regard, then, the 2240 is a far more forgiving pistol to use. Not to mention, it fires a far more beefier pellet than its bigger brother.
Oh my god, these birds. Birds are playing tricks on me.
The 22 caliber pellet will do the job for most small game engagements.
I heard squeaking. Oh, I think I saw something in that tree right there.
Upon arrival, I was already hearing squirrel chatter. I decided to investigate the area I was hearing this chatter come from.
There's a squirrel right there.
It wasn't long before I already spotted my first squirrel.
Damn, it keeps moving. I think I might go for his buddy.
Not being satisfied with the squirrel's size, I decided to go a little deeper into the woods in search of his buddy's chatters.
Well, anyways, here's that squirrel. A little too small for my liking. This year's young, no doubt. Look at it, he's coming right up to me. Well, he was for a little while. I think I'm gonna go after his buddy over there. This one's... Oh yeah, I can hear his buddy barking away. I'll go after his buddy rather than him, because it's a little too small for my liking. Alright, let's do this. Alright, they're teasing me. I heard another squirrel down this way. Okay. Well, I was following that little guy for a while. He was actually letting me get pretty close to him. Wonder if he's been fed at the powwow. He didn't really seem to care about me too much. He let me get pretty close. But yeah, we're gonna go search for his buddy down this way. Definitely know there's squirrels down that way. But maybe his buddy over here is bigger. You can hear him barking. Did you hear that squeaking? That's him barking. Sounds like there's two squirrels over here. Sounds like there's a fight going on.
After a little back and forth, I finally heard squirrel chatter again.
I can hear an owl. The squirrel stopped. Oh wait. I can hear them. Might have to shut this off to put the camera in my head cam. There's a squirrel rivalry going on here. Oh, I see movement right there. Okay, I can see one squirrel. There must be another. So far I can only see one. There's another squirrel here. I think that was the smaller guy. The guy he was fighting with is probably right here. I can hear him. Let's try and find this squirrel. No, that's the smaller guy. He's right there. It's the smaller guy. Okay. Let's go for this squirrel then. Making a lot of racket in those bushes. Might just go for that squirrel. There's a squirrel there too, but I'm gonna go for this one instead. I got him in the head and he's still alive. One bite.
With the 2240's ability to quickly fire off follow-up shots, I managed to successfully get this squirrel. With the 1377 on the other hand, I doubt I would have been as lucky.
Yeah, he's dead. Dead. And how you tell they're dead? Do the eye check. That's how you know they're dead, when they don't try to protect their eye. I got one in the bag. Nice. Looks like I got a headshot. Got another one. Do I dare take two? I think I'm gonna take two.
Not even that long after I got my first squirrel, I hear another one.
I'm gonna sit this guy down real quick. Where is this guy? Alright, I'm gonna shut off the camera. I'm gonna put it back on. Once I put it back on, you guys will be in the helmet cam. Alright, 1, 2, oh, I see him. He's over there. Where are you, Mr. Squirrel? It's really thick bush there too.
With squirrel barks continuing, I tread further into the little woodland with 2240 in hand, ready to strike. I don't even go too far in when I spot the squirrel making the racket. And with just a single shot, squirrel number 2 was in the bag. A 2240 is definitely very accurate, as long as you do your part.
Another squirrel. There we go. That is a big squirrel. Big squirrel. Oh. Dripping with blood too. A nice shot. Perfect. First shot too. Didn't need another. Alright, well, I'm happy with that. It's 2 squirrels. 2 squirrels right in the bag. Yeah, buddy. These are gonna taste good. Haven't had squirrel in ages. Just gotta find my other squirrel. Hopefully I don't step on it. There it is. There. 2 squirrels. Crossman 2240. It's 2 squirrels. Pistol hunting. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, now I can take off my little helmet cam. Oh, we got 2 squirrels in the bag. Just gotta take them home. Get them nice skinned and gutted. And we shall have some fried squirrel tonight. I could already hear squirrel chatter there. Tons of squirrels. If I wanted to, I can get like 20 of them. But 2 is all I need. I ain't gonna overdo it. 2 is all I want. Imagine having to skin like 20 squirrels. That would be a lot. Especially because I like to preserve the squirrel hide. Alrighty, let's get home.
With 2 squirrels in the bag, it's more than clear the 2240 is a fully capable air gun. I would still prefer my rifle, but pistols provide a unique challenge for any hunter. With no stock to lean into, pistols reward those with good trigger discipline and an ability to sneak up more closely to animals. Lightweight, compact, accurate. Whether it's the 1377 or the 2240, one thing's certain, a pistol can still do the job.